just got this really cool vehicle awning tent from Hasika. First off, sorry it is a little windy out here today, so if you hear a lot of that, apologize having to do it on a windy day. But look at this bag. This is really nice bag here that it comes in. This little pouch here has the stakes and the rope. This bag here has the poles that you're going to be using. And additionally, they have these for supporting the tent as well. It secures right here to the window with this little suction cup. Then you come down here and you just loop it through your wheel and it hooks onto itself. That's how it stays stable on the side. The other side has the same thing. There are many different options. This option here, I have the pole on both sides going up, secured it down with these spikes right here, one to the back and then one to the side going off. As you can see, this provides a lot of shade. It's nice and sunny out, and today's actually a very windy day, and you can see it's holding up really well there with the wind. Isn't going anywhere. So it does come with two of these sandbags. Let's say you're in a parking lot and you cannot stake it down to the ground. You can fill this up with sand, dirt, rocks, anything heavy that you want. Secure the poles to this to keep the tent from blowing away and keep it secure. This is a really great option if you're doing overlanding, camping, or if you're tailgating. This is a perfect setup for that. It gives you the nice shade on those super hot sunny days. It can also keep you dry if it starts to rain a little. And if you want to have the tent a bit lower like this, it actually has a screened window here that zips and rolls up. So this way, if you're sitting at the tailgate, you can still easily see out. So if you're looking for a nice unique option, you can attach it to the back of your pickup truck, to an SUV, minivan, anything like that. This one from Hasika is a great tent for the back of your vehicle.